a straight line y is equal to 2x touches a circle with center 0 alpha and radius r at point A1 and line segment A1B1 is one of its diameter. That means one diameter of this circle. It is also given in the question that alpha plus r is equal to 5 plus root 5. Now we have to find value of alpha, value of r, coordinate of point A1, coordinate of point B1. We know that when we draw perpendicular from center to any tangent of the circle, then this perpendicular meet the tangent at point of contact. That means when we draw perpendicular from this center to this line, then this perpendicular will meet this line at the point A1 and this will be perpendicular to this line. Now this is formula. Length of perpendicular drawn from any point Px1 y1 to the straight line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then length of perpendicular Pm will be equal to, in place of x we write x coordinate of this point, in place of y we write y coordinate of this point, then we write c, take mod divided by coefficient of x a square plus coefficient of y b square root under. This is a straight line. We can write equation of this line like this: 2x minus y is equal to 0. We suppose this is equation 1. Since perpendicular drawn from this center to this line will be, length of perpendicular will be equal to radius of this circle. That means r will be equal to length of perpendicular drawn from center to this line, but length of perpendicular to this line, by using this formula we can write, in place of x we write x coordinate of this point 2 times 0 minus, in place of y we write y coordinate of this point alpha, take mod. Now this is divided by coefficient of x square, that means 2 square, plus coefficient of y square, that means minus 1 square root under. This implies r is equal to alpha by root 5. It is given in the question that alpha is positive. This implies alpha is equal to root 5r. Suppose this is equation 2, this is equation 3. Putting value of alpha from 3 into, we get root 5r plus r is equal to 5 plus root 5. This implies take r common, root 5 plus 1 is equal to, take root 5 as common, root 5 plus 1. This root 5 plus 1 will be cancelled out from both sides. Then we get r is equal to root 5. When we put this value of r in 3, we get alpha is equal to root 5 times r, means root 5, that is equal to 5. Since coordinate of this point center is 0 alpha and value of alpha is 5, that means coordinate of this point is 0, 5. This is formula. Equation of any line passing through point x1, y1 and perpendicular to the straight line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is minus bx minus x1. Minus b means coefficient of y after changing its sign. Then we write x minus x coordinate of this point. Then we write coefficient of x with same sign without changing its sign. Then we write y minus y coordinate of this point is equal to 0. By using this formula, equation of line passing through point 0, 5 and perpendicular to this straight line 1 will be equal to coefficient of y is minus 1. We change its sign and write plus 1. Then we write x minus x coordinate of this point. Then we write coefficient of x with same sign plus 2. Then we write y minus y coordinate of this point, y minus 5 is equal to 0. This implies x plus 2y is equal to 10. We suppose this is 4 number, where this is equation 1, this straight line. This is equation 4, equation of this straight line. That means equation of a1, b1. When we solve this 1 and 4, we get coordinate of point of intersection of point a1. Solving 1 and 4. To solve these two equations, we put 2x in place of y. Then we get x plus 4x is equal to 10. That means 5x is equal to 10. This implies x is equal to 2. When we put 2 in place of x in this equation, then we get y coordinate of this point, value of y. Therefore, y will be 2 times x, means 2 times 2 means 4. Therefore, coordinate of point A1 will be x coordinate 2, y coordinate 4, x coordinate 2, y coordinate 4. 2, 4. We suppose that coordinate of point B1 is HK. We suppose. Now this is section formula. If coordinate of point AB x1, y1 coordinate of point B x2 y2, and CB midpoint of line segment AB, then coordinate of point C will be equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. By using this section formula, midpoint of line segment A1 B1 will be equal to h plus 2 by 2 and k plus 4 by 2. But midpoint of this line segment A1 B1 will be this center 0 5, this center 0 5. Therefore, h plus 2 by 2 will be equal to 0 and k plus 4 by 2 will be equal to y coordinate of this center 5. This implies h is equal to -2 and k is equal to 6. Therefore, coordinate of point B1, that means B1 is equivalent to -2 6. This coordinate of this point will be -2 6. Now solution is complete.